Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Roblox not opening. To know how to fix or to solve Roblox not opening, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Then we click on Force Stop. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can click turn off your Wi-Fi, and before that don't click here clear data because that's make a problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.